Welcome to Cartoon Play Kids TV.
The big yellow engine goes zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Gliding through the city. Room, room, room. Room, room, room. The sun shines beaming in a golden bloom, shining on the magic of the morning commute, shining on the bus as it stays en route. The magic gates are opening wide.
Click, clack.
Welcome everyone for a morning ride. We step on up with a playful stride.
Click, clack.
The city's waiting on the other side. The other side. Pitter-patter clouds bring a cooling mist. The glass is painted with a watery kiss. The rhythmic arms clear everything on the list. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. A sparkling view we wouldn't want to miss. Some tiny travelers feel a little blue, until a funny face shines right through. Until a funny face shines right through. We turn the sadness into something new. A chorus of giggles from the whole crew. A chorus of giggles! The bus is happy, the ride was fun. All the neighbors sing out as if we've won. Let's ride again when the day is done.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for the ride.